Welcome to the channel. In today's video, many men assume that they need a Hollywood appearance, a perfect body, or a huge bank account to attract women. However, that's not entirely true. Believe it or not, there are other important things that can help you stand out and make an impression. These are things you might not even notice, but women pick up on them instantly as soon as you enter a room. How you present yourself can leave an indelible mark. Understanding what women notice first can be a game changer. These small details can create a powerful attraction, spark interest, and even evoke a desire to establish a deeper connection. Today, we will discuss 12 things that women quickly notice in men. Some of these may surprise you, while others are often discussed secrets among women. Be sure to watch until the end, as the last points on our list are the most important, and believe me, you won't want to miss them. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Your face. Women notice your face almost immediately, especially if you take care to keep it well groomed. This doesn't mean you need to look like a model, but a clean and well-kept face says a lot. Neatly trimmed facial hair, well-groomed eyebrows, and cleanly styled hair can make a big impression. In fact, studies show that women consider facial grooming an important factor in attractiveness. Women are naturally drawn to such details as they demonstrate that you value self-care. This is an attractive quality that reflects your self-respect and confidence. 2. Your ability to hold a conversation. A good conversation goes far beyond looks. Women love men who can engage them in interesting discussions while demonstrating intelligence, wit, and genuine interest. A great conversation opens a window into a man's personality and showcases his intellect, sense of humor, and confidence. Being skilled in conversation also shows a man's ability to listen and respond thoughtfully, which creates a deeper connection. So if you want to stand out, work on your communication skills. It will attract her again and again. 3. Your smile. A genuine smile is always contagious and instantly makes you more approachable. This is one of the first things women notice because a smile reflects your warmth and friendliness. A sincere and relaxed smile indicates that you are confident and comfortable in your own skin, which is incredibly attractive. Smiling during conversations can ease tension, encourage openness, and even evoke feelings of greater connection with her. Don't underestimate the power of a well-timed smile. 4. Your style and grooming. How you dress says a lot even before you say anything. Your style is a visual expression of your personality. Women notice if you put thought into your outfits and dress in a way that reflects confidence and self-respect. This doesn't mean you need to wear designer clothes. Instead, focus on ensuring that your clothes fit well and align with your individuality. A man who dresses well shows that he values himself and is aware of how he appears to others. 5. Your personality and energy. Women always pay attention to an interesting personality. Contrary to the stereotype that all women are attracted to bad boys, their attention is often drawn to men who exude kindness with a touch of mystery. A hint of unpredictability without rudeness makes you stand out. Courage and self-confidence are extremely attractive as they show that a man is comfortable in his role and unafraid to be himself. 6. Your behavior towards others. How you treat people, especially those who cannot offer you anything in return, is an important indicator of your character. Women often observe how you interact with service staff, children, and the elderly. Your respect and kindness say a lot about you and do not go unnoticed. Men who treat everyone with respect demonstrate maturity and empathy, qualities that women find irresistible. 7. The tone of your voice. A confident tone plays a significant role in attraction. Women notice if your voice is too quiet, which may suggest insecurity, or too loud, which may seem like an attempt to draw attention. An attractive tone is balanced and steady as it conveys confidence and self-assurance. How you speak can either attract or repel. Therefore, finding the right balance shows your composure and self-confidence. 8. Your attention to her. When a man makes a woman feel like she's the only person in the room, it changes everything. The ability to be fully engaged in conversation and give her your undivided attention leaves an unforgettable impression. Attentiveness and respect create deep impressions and foster stronger connections. 9. Your body language. Confident posture and open body language have magnetic appeal. Women notice your stance, hand movements, and how comfortable you appear in your skin. Simple gestures like standing tall with relaxed shoulders while making eye contact make you more approachable and composed. Confident body language indicates self-assuredness, an undeniably attractive trait. 10. Your physical fitness and health. Women are naturally attracted to men who take care of their health. This doesn't mean you need to have a bodybuilder physique. Maintaining physical fitness and a healthy lifestyle appears attractive as it reflects self-discipline and respect for oneself. It also shows that you value longevity and an active life, qualities that inspire and motivate women. 11. Your scent. Smell is a powerful sense, and women notice your scent right away. A fresh, pleasant aroma can leave an unforgettable impression, often reflecting personal hygiene and attention to detail. Investing in good cologne or maintaining cleanliness can take you far. Remember that scent has subconscious effects. It can evoke memories or emotions that enhance attraction. 12. Your hands. Women pay attention to hands because they can reveal much about a man. Well-groomed hands indicate that you care about yourself and pay attention to details. They also hint at your confidence and neatness. Your hands can reflect your attentiveness or even your profession, leaving impressions that speak louder than words. Interestingly enough, women often notice men's hands because they convey so much about them. Well-kept hands signal cleanliness, while rough hands might suggest hard work or masculinity. Women also observe how you use your hands. Are you expressive with gestures? Do you seem nervous or confident? Therefore, keep your hands tidy. They should only tell good things about you. And there we have it, the 12 things women notice first about men. By paying attention to these details, you'll not only boost your confidence, but also leave an unforgettable impression. If these tips were helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss new insights. See you in the next video. Shine on, stay confident, and make your first impression unforgettable.